Welcome to our tutorial on how to fix auto-refreshing on Messenger with the latest update. Are you frustrated with Messenger constantly auto-refreshing on your Android device? Let's dive into the steps to troubleshoot this issue. Begin by accessing the settings on your Android device. Navigate to the Apps section and locate Messenger in the list. Tap on Messenger to access its specific settings. Within the Messenger settings, find the Mobile Data option and select App Data Usage. This will allow you to manage how Messenger uses data on your device. Now, let's tackle the auto-refreshing problem. Look for the setting for background data usage and toggle it off and then back on. This action can help reset the background data usage settings for Messenger, potentially resolving the auto-refreshing issue. By adjusting the background data usage setting, you may be able to address the auto-refreshing behavior of Messenger on your device. Say goodbye to the interruptions caused by Messenger constantly refreshing. Congratulations! You have successfully fixed the auto-refreshing problem on Messenger. By following these steps, you can enjoy a smoother messaging experience without the annoyance of auto-refreshing. Thank you for watching our tutorial on fixing auto-refreshing on Messenger. We hope this guide has been beneficial in resolving the issue you were experiencing. Stay connected and chat effortlessly on Messenger. Happy messaging!